Let's talk about CASB. We call it as Cloud Access Security Broker. What is this technology all about, and how does it help us to uh, maintain our security on cloud? Okay, so as and when we talk about Cloud Access Security Broker, that means it is coming in between the user, the cloud consumer, and the cloud service provider. So this particular service is sitting somewhere in middle. And what is this? This may be a cloud based security software. Maybe a security software which actually tracks the communication between the end user and the cloud. But why do we do that? The idea is to give you some additional security capabilities. Okay, so CASB is primarily a software solution that discovers unauthorized attempt at accessing private data. So that is also having a eye on your access control as well. Okay, yeah. And most of the time your CASB solutions, they leverage artificial intelligence to watch human behaviors. They alert security administrators for any kind of abnormal behavior, or as and when it detects a particular threat. Okay, so your CASB, it extends on-premise controls, your on-premise security controls, and then transform those controls to various cloud environments. Okay, it acts like a middleman between the cloud customer and the service provider. Why we use it? Because it augments security controls by monitoring of ingress and egress data. So ingress is the data which is coming in, and egress is the data which is going out, right? So anything which is going in or going out of the cloud is kind of monitored by your CASB solution, right? And they will also evaluate any kind of URLs and different services which are accessed by user. So they also do some kind of risk calculation. They perform some kind of risk assessments on an ongoing basis, and based on that they release some kind of rating also, on what rating you stands as on today. Okay, so they are capable of identifying any kind of unauthorized access, or people accessing, like for example a user just access cloud from India, and at another after 2 minutes the same user tried to log in from America. How is that going to be possible? So they also have some context based um, you can say access controls, which is able to identify such kind of abnormalities, and they are then informing the security administrators about it. Okay, so this is suitable not only for enterprise users. This kind of solution also goes handy for mobile users also, and for unmanaged endpoints also. So unmanaged endpoints means your BYOD solution as well. Okay, they come in with so many other features, like they provide you with DLP capabilities, they provide you with DRM capabilities, uh, uh, your authorization, authentication, and compliance. They also see user behavior. They also provide you with encryption related things as well. They are able to also identify data which is there on the cloud or your own premise, to categorize them if this is sensitive data or not a sensitive data, right? And more importantly, they are able to do some kind of discovery also of the different assets you have, of the different data you have, right? And then it creates a profile of that. So anything between your cloud and your end user is what comes in is called as CASB solution. So this is nothing but basically a software solution which helps you to make sure that anything the dealing with the cloud is always secure at all times. So that's what is your CASB solution.